In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all text boxes the same size in PowerPoint. This process takes just about 5 minutes and can add a polished, consistent look to your presentation, making it easier for your audience to follow along. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft PowerPoint app on your computer. Once there, choose the presentation you're working on. You can do this by clicking on File, then Open, and selecting your file from the list. Now that you have your presentation open, let's move on to the task at hand, adjusting the sizes of your text boxes. The next step involves selecting all the text boxes that you want to standardize in size. To do this quickly, you can click on one of the text boxes and then hold down the Shift key while clicking on the others. Doing so allows you to select multiple objects at once, which is a huge time saver when you're dealing with a presentation that contains plenty of text boxes. After selecting all your desired text boxes, it's time to navigate to the Shape Format tab, which you'll find at the top menu of your PowerPoint window. The Shape Format tab is a powerful feature that lets you manipulate and adjust the appearance and size of shapes and text boxes conveniently. Once you're in the Shape Format tab, look for the Shape Options button and click on it. This will open a sidebar or a drop-down depending on your PowerPoint version, revealing a variety of customizable settings for your shapes. In the shape options, you will see several menu items. Here, what we are interested in is the text box option. Click on text box to open up a range of settings that allow you to adjust the dimensions of your text elements. Now here's where you can really fine-tune your presentation. You'll have the ability to set a standard height and width for all of your selected text boxes to keep them uniform. Simply enter your desired dimensions, ensuring that all your text boxes will conform to these settings. This helps to create a more unified and professional look for your entire slide deck. And there you have it. We've now successfully made all the text boxes in our PowerPoint presentation the same size. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in the clean, organized appearance of your slides. It also ensures that all your textual content is easily accessible and aesthetically pleasing to your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tips to enhance your presentations.